Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an epic break and shatter logo animation in After Effects, all without using any plugins. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your motion graphics skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make your logo explode onto the screen. Let's get started. Okay, so right now I am in After Effects. We will begin by creating a new composition. Name it Render, set the duration to 10 seconds, and hit OK. Drag and drop the logo into the timeline. Press S and decrease its scale to 30. Right-click on the logo and select Pre-Compose. Name it what you want, select this option, and hit OK. Navigate to Effects and search for Shatter. Apply this effect to your logo. In Effects Control, select the rendered view. Expand the Shape option. Select the glass pattern. Increase repetitions to 200 and extraction depth to 0.05. Expand the Physics option. Set randomness to 0.25, viscosity to 0.4, and gravity to 0. Now right-click on the timeline and create a new solid. Select the color black and hit OK. Navigate to Effects Control and search for Ramp. Apply this gradient ramp to this solid layer. Set the ramp shape to Radial Ramp and position the start of the ramp in the center like this. After this, click on Swap Colors and move the anchor point to the left side, and hide this layer by clicking on this eye icon. Now select your logo, go to Effects Control, expand the gradient option, select the gradient layer to black solid one, and source to Effects and Masks. Okay, now move your playhead to 10 frames. Add a keyframe by clicking on the stopwatch icon on Shatter Threshold and decrease its value to 0. Move the playhead ahead and increase its value to 100. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to make them easy ease. Now click on this graph option. Right-click and select Edit Speed Graph. Adjust the graph like this. Okay, now right-click on the timeline and create a new adjustment layer. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Pixel Motion Blur. Add this effect to the adjustment layer. In Effects Control, increase the shutter samples value to 8. Again, right-click on the timeline and create a new adjustment layer. Navigate to Effects and Presets and search for Glow. Apply this effect to the adjustment layer too. Press Ctrl+D on the glow effect to create a duplicate glow effect. Increase the glow radius of the duplicate glow effect to 100. Okay, now move the playhead to 13 frames, press T on the second adjustment layer, click on the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe, and set opacity to 0. Move the playhead a few frames ahead and increase the opacity to 100. Now we apply the camera lens blur effect to the adjustment layer. In Effects Control, set the blur map layer to black solid and source to Effects and Masks. Tick the Invert Blur Map option. Now right-click on the timeline and create a new solid layer. Apply the fill effect to this solid layer. Select the background color according to your needs. Here's the final result. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.